In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in a table in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a complex table or just need to tidy up some data, merging cells can be a useful feature to make your document look more organized and professional. Let's dive right into the steps, making sure we cover everything you need to know to do this efficiently. First, you'll need to open Google Docs in your web browser. Head to your favorite search engine and type in Google Docs, or simply enter docs.google.com into the address bar. Once you're on the main page of Google Docs, you can either start a new document or open an existing one. For this tutorial, let's assume you already have a document with a table that you're planning to work on. Once you have your document open, find the table that you want to edit. Click on this document to open it in your browser. Navigating to the document is quick and easy, and you should be able to locate the table you need without any fuss. Now that you have the table in front of you, it's time to select the cells you want to merge. To do this, click and drag your mouse across the cells you want to combine. You can select multiple cells in a row or column. Make sure that the cells you want to merge are adjacent, as Google Docs doesn't allow merging of non-adjacent cells. After selecting the desired cells, it's time to perform the merge action. Right-click on the highlighted section. A context menu will appear, showing several options related to table editing. It's important to ensure your mouse is hovering over the selected cells when you perform the right-click. Otherwise, the menu might not display the necessary options. Within this context menu, look for the option that says Merge Cells. Click on this, and the selected cells will merge into one single cell. This step is quite straightforward once you have the menu open, and simply selecting Merge Cells completes the process. And there you have it. Your selected cells are now merged into one seamless cell. This can be particularly useful for headings spanning multiple columns or rows, or for creating a neat structure when your data requires it. If you ever need to undo this action, simply use the Ctrl+Z